If you're looking for free movies and TV shows on your Amazon Fire TV stick, check this out, guys. First thing we're going to do is download a program called Downloader. So come to the search icon, type in Downloader, D-O-W-N. Downloader should come right up. The orange icon, click on it, get it, install it. Okay, once Downloader is installed, let's go to the home screen and head all the way to the settings icon on the far right. Come down to My Fire TV, and if you do not already have developer options listed here, click under About, and then under Fire TV Stick, use your remote, click it about 7 to 10 times, and then as you can see, no need. You are now a developer. Then go to Developer Options. Under Install Unknown Apps, turn on Downloader. This gives Downloader the ability to sideload applications that may not be available on your Amazon Fire TV. Go back to the home screen. Look for a Downloader, open it up, say yes, and allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on the device. Here's a quick start guide. And under Downloader, we're going to type in 370178. And this will send you to the Led by the Unknown webpage where we can find these awesome applications. Guys, once again, during this 5-second redirect, please share this with one of your friends. Use the 3-line button on your remote and then add the current page to the favorites, and we no longer have to wait for the 5-second redirect. So now, guys, on this download page, we got a couple videos and how-tos, extra ones for you. Some applications for movies and TV shows, live TV, sports, and you name it. All right. Today, let's scroll down a bit. Now, guys, if you're looking for under movies and TV shows, right here, the top one, guys, everyone wants this on their app. Everyone wants this on their Amazon Fire TV stick. You just slide on down under this page. Now, guys, if you're looking for a great deal on Surfshark, please get your phone, scan this QR code, and get yourself up to 86% off and up to 5 free months. Do it before the deal is over. We can click the little X sign there, and then we hit the HD or the ad-free version. Small little 60 meg file. We're going to allow it to install. Once it's installed, click Done. We don't want to open it up because we need to delete the APK file and delete it, and it's good to go. Hi guys, movies and TV shows, live TV, streaming apps. We can click something like, say, Zumo TV. Click on Zumo, head on down to the bottom. You have Android device or Amazon device or mobile. And of course, install. No special permissions required. Hit done. Delete. And delete. And we go back to the downloads page. Got Freebie, Fossum, Pluto. Bunch of stuff, guys. Some adults. Now we go back to the home screen. Head over to the 3 squares plus sign. The apps and games, and of course we can highlight. We can use the 3-line button, move to the front. And we can do this for all our applications. Always remember, allow to access photos and media. So folks, if you're looking for movies and TV shows on your Amazon Fire TV stick, movies, TV shows, featured, favorites, history, all the latest and greatest that you'd ever imagine.